So how to choose a simulator. Mr. Petrovsky, our Chief Technical Officer, who unfortunately isn't here today, has authored a number of books which we also sell through our website, and if anyone is interested in them for educational purposes, please come and see me after the presentation. So there's this book here, GPS GLONASS, Galileo and Beidou for mobile devices, and Digital Satellite Navigation and Geophysics. Both of these books were either authored or co-authored by Mr. Petrovsky. So these books have actually been highly reviewed as an educational source. So for those of you who may be interested, please come and have a word afterwards. So there are a few advantages which we can offer with our simulation system in comparison to some of the other simulators which are available on the market. The first one is a big one, and that is real-time simulation. So you don't need to record the signal and play it back later on. You can actually simulate the signal, so you can input the coordinates, you can input the time, you can input the style of constellation that you want to use and the signal you wish to produce, and then you can play that signal and test it through your device, and then you can adjust it in real time. You can also do post-processing, so you can also use a signal which you've recorded earlier on, but being able to do that in real time is a distinct advantage. As you can imagine, you might want to simulate something that is happening in the actual world environment, so a sudden change in the troposphere, a sudden change in conditions, and this is what you can do if you can have real-time simulation.